there's a second. There's another mag lock right there.
One must videotape you.
Three different interrupts right there.
Mm-hmm.
And
But if I take
and four.
there we go. Okay. So that takes care of 3 of the interrupts. Because now all of these are pushed in, that's pushed in. The only thing...
What is this the... Okay, this is the interrupt for the door.
Yeah, yeah. So you pull it back. And it should... Yeah, I think there's another switch right here that I believe is the switch for the door. Because the door... would sit forward. So now we're looking at that. Okay. There we go. Now we're getting voltage.
More goddamn safeties than
A real one, I know.
There we go.
9.5 from the power. So power's going all the way down. It's reaching this.
You have a full circuit. Well, no, because that's just measuring across.
Yeah, because this basically activates the motor. So it's like I'll have power all the time.
Well,
But
yeah,
then-
when you're probing
but
there,
then-
you're just measuring the battery pack.
Exactly. So, but when I push this trigger, it bridges. I think.
So what activates this one? Because that opens the pathway. Otherwise, the dart's blocked. So that has to be open. Oh no, that doesn't go to a switch at all.
Yeah, it's just a spring.
Okay.
I think it's a dart stop or something. Yeah. It's this.
Okay, for fixing jams.
Yeah, because this little
That
tab
finger.
right here grabs onto it and pulls it back. So that's just the jam release. So what we need to figure out. So we're getting power there. We're getting power to the motor.
Motor's froze.
Yeah. Yeah, I have full power across the circuit. It's a bad motor. That's exactly what it is. So,
Pull the motor, spin it, see if you get, just knock off, storage rust.
check power. Yeah, because it has been sitting like out in the rain and shit. So I'm actually surprised this circuit's still fucking good. distance, really.
Bullshit. I bet you I got a brushless motor that'll fit right in there.
Well, yeah, because it's one of the like 310 brushless motors instead of the 540s or whatever.
Yeah.
And the one out of my other gun is too small because that's for my other gun runs dual motor for wheel,
Yeah.
and then it literally just the trigger mechanism is a lever system where it pushes the dart forward to touch the wheels, and then it just spits the dart out with the wheels. But this one is actually an air mechanic or a pump mechanic based off the wheel. The fucking gun's got to actually spin for it. Oh, one second. Yeah, because the power that I'm... Let's see.
Well, you'd want to test the ground.
Because it was from power.
Are they just gonna leave the bushes there?
No, they're coming back to clean it up, for sure.
I was caught off by the army fatigue.